Liberty Press is a family-owned company from its beginnings 50 years ago now, and it's a commercial printing company that started out printing newspapers back when newspapers were a thing, and it quickly grew to printing, doing commercial print work for everything from magazines, and we printed phone books, phone directories and yellow pages all over the country and throughout the world, and became one of the biggest printers of directories in the country for many years. But now we're reinventing who we are again, and we've kind of moved more into heat set printing with magazines and direct mail catalogs, lots of different things. But we've seen our company grow a lot through the years, and then that kind of changed. Pandemic changed the world, and the advent of smartphones and technology, and changed directories. So we found ourselves needing to reinvent the wheel, which we've done. And now we are projecting to grow even beyond the 40 million mark to maybe even 60 million or more. And we're trying to look at how Liberty Press will look with those types of numbers. And that comes right back around to automation, being more efficient, versus just growing our workforce to handle that volume of work. We are quite a custom print shop at Liberty Press. We still believe in the custom approach to customer service, and the same is true with prepping files. So we haven't, and it's my own choice as the longtime manager, to not dictate too stringent of file requirements, for example, to our clients. We allow our customers to send in the PDFs in a variety of ways, and instead of rejecting those files and saying they don't fit our cookie cutter system or approach, we've always been a shop and a department that's allowed them to prepare their files in the way that's comfortable for them, and we would still accept those. Now, in the past, pre-Switch, that meant a lot of hand cleanup and time-consuming work to prepare those files for press. But now, with Switch, I'm able to automate. So I'm able to make custom flows for those clients, and it takes a little time to prepare those, but once they're in place and rolling, it's all automatic. And these clients can send in their files built 8.5 by 11, and the system automatically is adjusting those to 8 1/4 by 10 3/4. With the reduction now, the bleed isn't sufficient. Now we allow Switch in conjunction with Pit Stop to extend the bleeds back out to where they need to be. And I could go on and on about all the little automated things that now happen in a custom way to help our clients feel comfortable, but without us having to be resistant to their myriad of different PDF styles that come through the door. So it does mean a lot of custom flows on our end, but again, that's what Switch, I feel like, is built for. We have some larger flows that work for everyone, that are more of the one size fits all, and then we have a series of custom flows that can kind of even play in and out. They can hand off to the larger flow and then come back to the customer flow. So we've really designed a custom system using Switch, and it's worked for us. That may not work for everyone, but that's the beauty of Switch, is that you can design it to be exactly what you want it to be for your company. Switch absolutely is it's like a piece of art that you can adjust, change, and make it look how you want it to look. But yes, it's so customizable, and it's always growing. It's a living thing. That gave us confidence with Switch as well, knowing that it wasn't some dead-end software product that wasn't being developed, wasn't being continued, that we had confidence in. We were already trying to get off of a bunch of old hardware and software, and finding a solution that was a living, growing, breathing solution was very confidence-building for us. One specific example of that is the review system within the Switch flow, to be able to proof online and automatically and have clients coming in and out of the system. And we've looked at other little features within Switch that can play off of the proof system, and there's new offerings all the time. And it's really turned on my creative mind to figure out what can I do with Switch? Kind of the sky's the limit. Whatever I can imagine, I can create, and I get excited. That's the creative side of my brain that gets to come out, and I can put the technical side away for a moment and enjoy the creation aspect and part of Enfocus. And the tools are there, and they're continually being added, and that gave us great confidence. I work a lot of hours, and it's mostly my personality, but it was really exciting to know that there's light at the end of that tunnel, so to speak. That there's the possibility of automating and letting a system, we call it the robot, do my work for me. Not so that I can work a few hours, I'm kind of a workaholic, but so that I can focus my attention on other things. And that's what this system from Enfocus has allowed us to do. And we're still in the infancy of building it. We've been building it out for several years now, and it's doing wonders. We're already finding excess capacity in our department. It's pretty bizarre actually, but we now have the excess capacity to have our team members helping in other areas of the building. Even as crazy as it sounds, building maintenance and whatever we want to do, landscaping, art, design, marketing. We don't have a dedicated marketing department. So pre-press, since we're the computer guys, we're kind of the go-to for marketing here. And we've found that the extra time and efficiency within our department to do that because of the efficiency that Switch has provided for us. Now, with time and maybe some adjustment of my own personality, I should be able to shorten my days as well, but we certainly have the tools to do it.